A properly fixed drywall anchor can safely hold far more than its printed rating when installed correctly into suitable drywall and with proper technique. A typical plastic expansion anchor rated for 46 pounds will often hold closer to 130 pounds when installed in solid gypsum board using the correct pilot hole size and full engagement of the anchor body. Use a drill bit one size smaller than the anchor outer diameter for tight expansion and drive the anchor flush so the flange bears evenly against the wall surface. For heavier loads, prefer metal toggle or molly anchors, which transfer load across the board and into backing material, and their installation requires enlarging the hole only to the manufacturer recommended size and activating the toggle or collapsing sleeve fully behind the panel. When possible, locate a stud and use a wood screw into the stud for the strongest anchoring option and pre-drill a clearance hole to avoid splitting. Always test the installed anchor gently with incremental weight before committing a full load, and inspect the drywall face for cracking or pop-outs as a sign of overstress. If the application supports it, consider backing the drywall with a small plywood patch behind the anchor, accessed from an adjacent cavity for a long-term repair that approaches the strength of solid framing. Common mistakes start with trusting the printed rating alone, so always consider drywall thickness and condition, and choose an anchor and installation method that matches the load. If the plaster around the anchor shows hairline cracks, remove the fastener and use a wider distribution method such as a toggle or backing plate. Another frequent issue is using the wrong pilot hole or driving the anchor off angle, which prevents full expansion and reduces capacity. Correct this by re-drilling a proper sized hole and ensuring the anchor sits perpendicular to the wall. Finally, many people assume weathered or damp drywall has the same strength as new drywall. If the board is soft or delaminated, replace that section or reinforce it from behind before installing hardware. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a searchable project listing so people can find professionals for drywall repairs, shelving, and mounting jobs. We also host a discussion community where we share installation tips, product experiences, and local recommendations to help both homeowners and contractors find work and make better decisions.